that situation on an American Airlines flight to Chicago where a passenger tried to open the plane door mid-flight. Yes, this happened as well. We're hearing from one of the people who helped take down that person.
He already had the safety mechanism down. He had both hands on the lever and was like yanking it. And he's a big dude, and he had it, pretty well pulled. And I don't know if you could hear it, but I could hear the actual difference in pressure. There was a whistling.
Can you? I don't even want to imagine.
No.
Passengers helped the flight crew, that passenger you just heard speaking, helped the flight crew restrain the man with duct tape and zip ties. The pilot returned to Albuquerque and landed so that local police could take this man into custody. You cannot do that. We don't know yet why that man made that attempt, though.
So this is why whenever I'm traveling, I keep things with me to be able to protect myself and those abroad. That bracelet right there, that is a restraint. There's different things that we do that we teach in the Civilian Protector Project that can help you make sure you have force multipliers with you when you need them. What we need is a world a lot like what we saw on that flight, which was a bunch of people willing to do whatever it takes to keep everyone safe. It takes a village, and the more prepared people we have, the safer the world will be. If you're sitting in an exit row or close to any place where the airplane can be open, you should be profiling. You should be paying attention to who is near you, who's around you, and how they're acting. You should be behaviorally profiling. Are they nervous? Are they fidgety? You should be paying attention. Identify the vulnerabilities that you personally have and that the aircraft have, and make sure you pay attention to anyone near those. Let's go, let's train together.
Boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there, and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.